Hello everybody, today we're going to talk about how to add DKIM, SPF, and DMARC on Porkbun. So step number 1, log in. You should arrive at the domain management screen. Click on account in the top right corner and select domain management. Locate the domain you're enabling DMARC and DKIM for. To the right of the domain is a row of icons. Click on the envelope icon under the email column. You'll be taken to the email hosting and forwarding page. Scroll down until you see the section labeled DMARC Notice. Click on the Configure DMARC button. A browser window will appear asking if you're sure you want to configure DMARC for the domain. Click the OK button to proceed. After a moment, another browser pop-up will appear letting you know that the DMARC or DKIM records are queued for configuration. Click the OK button one more time to close out of the pop-up. The email hosting and forwarding page will refresh automatically, and you will see a new message in the DMARC Notice section that lets you know we're working on the configuration of your domain. After 5 or 10 minutes have passed, refresh the page and you'll see that DMARC Notice section has changed to green, and it will show a new message confirming that your domain is configured for DMARC and DKIM. You will also see buttons to allow you to delete the records or reset them at any time. And that's it. Thanks for watching.